Orange peel can be used in a number of ways to soften the skin. Orange peel and yogurt face pack that are destructive that sheds the skin. In any case, to boot mitigates it. On board orange strip powder, this is in many cases one pack that lights up your skin inside the best methodology possible. To make this pack, take 1 tablespoon of orange strip powder and 2 tablespoons of dairy item, generally alluded to as dahi, and solidify them. Totally blend them till a paste is outlined. Apply this pack wherever for around 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off. Apply this pack a few times each week. Orange peel and dairy item, pack, strip powder and a couple of TBSP of dairy items. Mix well. Apply on face and wash out following 20 minutes to prompt clear, new, and straightened out shut needing skin. This is much of the time a glimmer rejuvenating pack that you'll have the option to apply before a festival or any tremendous event. Orange peel, turmeric, and honey face pack is like a manner that helps keep a delicate complexion and coloring. Attempt to not matter this pack for all purposes and capacities. Forward you have Skin Escape slanted skin. To utilize a Skin Escape skin pack once to defend your skin from side effect discharges. To make this pack, a tablespoon of honey, orange strip powder, and turmeric powder. Kasturi turmeric or remedial turmeric is enjoyed. A paste-like consistency has been framed. Apply this pack to your face and neck and hold it for 5 to 10 minutes. Rub and wash it off using wet fingers, working in an exceptionally round development. This pack is great for Skin Escape slanted and smooth skin since it contains unfriendly to microbic or against microorganism property to help with backing off the skin, lessen imperfections on the face and even pigmentation. You'll have the option to apply this cow leech substitute day. Orange peel powder, wood paste and walnut powder face pack might be an exceptional exfoliator. Add 1 tablespoon of orange strip powder, wood powder, walnut powder to a holder. Add a couple of to 3 drops of juice and 2 tablespoons of embodiment to the ongoing blend. A decision in differentiation to orange strip powder for this pack will be Orange Crush. Dye this pack for around 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off. Orange peel and lime face pack, of to 3 drops of lime to a couple of tablespoons of orange strip powder. You can in like manner add wood powder to the ongoing blend. Apply this to your face and leave it on for half hour and fail off. It is a far-fetched pack for smooth and Skin Escape slanted skin assortments since it propels sound, new and reasonable skin. Apply this pack a few times each week. Citrus strips will help you succeed solid and shining skin. They light up your complexion, downsize maturing signs and treat skin illness breakouts. You'll have the option to make simple home-prepared face packs and covers with orange and lemon strips and see the differentiation in your skin. Papaya and strip powder face pack. Pound 1 orange and concentrate its squash or add some orange strip powder to squashed papaya in a very bowl. Apply it to your face and neck locale using a brush or froth it on using your fingers, massage it in and save it for 15 to 20 minutes. Flush it off with water and wipe off. This pack is ample in Vital's Partner and C. It likewise diminishes dark circles and offers you sparkling skin. Apply this pack once in 2 days for no-hit results. Orange and papaya contain L-ascorbic acid, and furthermore the juice is accepted to figure as a characteristic astringent and cut back overabundance creation of discharge. Orange and banana face pack. Pound 1 banana and an orange in a very bowl. On the contrary hand, you'll have the option to use orange powder. Apply this pack to your face and hold it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with warm water and wipe off. This pack helps in diminishing aggravation, soaking your skin and restricting skin irritation. Apply this pack once in 2 days. Bananas region unit made in nuclear number 19, L-ascorbic acid, and E, that work with advanced gleaming skin, and milk delicately eliminates dead skin cells, while pith assists with decorating the skin. Orange and tea leaf pack. This pack goes word as a partner exfoliator, diminishes pores and kills overflow oils. It has relieving properties. Take a portion of a teaspoon of tea leaf leaves and 1 tablespoon of orange crush or orange powder, blend these trimmings in a very bowl. Then, at that point, keep it on for around 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off once dry. Use this pack once every 2 days. Copra oil and strip powder face pack. Take 1 teaspoon of copra oil and 1 tablespoon of orange powder or strip powder. This pack isn't hard to make and will do a few magnificent things for your skin. Add copra oil to orange strip powder or squash structure in a very bowl. Mix it well and apply it to your face for half hour. Clear this off using Q-tips or cotton balls plunged in water. This pack is great for skin escape slanted and smooth skin since it contains threatening to microorganism or against microorganism properties. It'd attempt to help with backing off the skin, decline imperfections on the face and even pigmentation.